We're rolling.
It's going to take a while.
It's all right.
Someone did packages really well. Don't know if you need to film this whole bit, to be honest. This is like 3 minutes, baby.
Is it ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm filming. Well, Victor, I give you permission to touch my guitar any way you see fit.
Yeah. Little box of wing
That's the bag. Good, isn't it?
Ryan has one. He loves it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mate, the photos that he sent were fucking amazing.
Like
He actually got one.
Yeah.
He got one.
So there's still a massive waiting list for these, right?
Apparently, yeah.
So,
Look at that shit.
that's awesome.
You know what would have been really cool?
Uh.
It's great if these were yellow.
Yeah.
But
Let's. Is it tuned? I mean, let's plug it in and see what the fuck is going on. Wow.
Almost.
Slap. You want slapping the whammy?
like it almost is, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's actually got a little. It's actually got a bit of weight to it too. It's actually good.
It's very nice. Well, stick
Plug it in and let's see what's going on. You're gonna throw in a. You're gonna throw in a Joel Henderson with that as well. Like you did the other one. Like you're gonna throw in the Joel Henderson.
Yeah, absolutely, I will.